Hi everybody. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm presenting my very first design team project for Luise Heinzl. I'm excited to be on her design team. I've appreciated her digitals and used them in my journals in the past. So it's kind of exciting to be able to help her promote her artwork and her graphics. So this is the first design team project I've participated in, and it's the kit that I'm using for this is the tea bag birds and the ephemera kit that goes with it, and I will link below how to order if you're interested in that, and all of Luise's social media links as well. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll show you what's in the journal. So I've got it just tied with some sari ribbon that goes through just some grommets here that I've put on. The cover is material. I don't usually embellish my covers a lot because to me the journals are ideally for keeping mementos and for journaling in, and so I like them fairly flat. The interesting thing about this journal was I started with 3 signatures, and when I originally started to put it together, it was very, very loose, and I thought, oh my gosh, I may have to add another signature. Well, now it's so full. I think you'll love it. The top has a piece of material as well. It's a piece of chiffon. It kind of matches the sari ribbon. So when you open up the journal, this is the first page. I have a pocket here on the left with a collaged face with a little snippet that I made with a button. There's a piece of coffee dyed paper here for journaling and a couple tags. These are just collage tags from Luise's kit. Her paper these papers are stunning, just absolutely stunning. I love the colors, the brightness. I think the golds and the aquas, I just love them, the turquoise. I did stencil here some birds. This is just a craft paper with little flags and a card, and then I just drew a couple little flowers on there because you can use all of this for journaling. These are her papers. Actually, this paper is, I'll have to look it up and I'll link it, but this paper back here, she did like a yellow and gold background papers. I don't know if they're eco-dyed or whatever, but they were stunning, and I did buy those quite a while ago. Purchased those from her quite a while ago. Usually on my blank page that I like for journaling, I just add something in the bottom to break up that blankness. This right here is a button that Luise showed us how to make out of book pages. I'm going to kind of tip it so you can see. You can tell. This is a fabric flipped with some lace on top and a button. It's so pretty. And then on top of this page here. And this is a collage pocket with a couple of journaling tags in it. This is the material from the front cover. This right here is just collaged from her papers and a book page, and I actually used food coloring dyed paper, and I just collaged around the outside. And this is a little ruffle that it created out of paper, and then this is a tag, collage tag, and this is from her kit, some of these papers. And here's a flip out. So there's lots of journaling space. This is the center of the first signature. And then I took a graphic and added some tea bags on there. But this is all her papers. And again, this is collaged. Tried to keep it in the bird theme. This is an altered envelope, a window envelope. It's got a journaling tag in there that's collaged. And it also has this little side pocket with a tag for journaling. And this is just an altered piece of paper for journaling. Made it look like an envelope, the tuck. And this is a horizontal belly band with birds on it. Tried to keep that. And then Feed Your Soul with some of Luise's paper on there, journaling tags. I don't know if you can tell from here, I'll lift it up, that I tried to edge it all in blue or aqua, some bright colors to match her kit. And there's another horizontal pocket with just some journaling paper and a tag. This has lace and ribbon in it. And this is, again, from this paper right here is from a different kit, and then I added the bird on this page just to break it up. This is a corner that's included in the kit, and I backed it with a piece of paper and stitched around here and added a tag that I created. It's a belly band and a tag. Some of these items, I have what I call my glue book, where I take my scraps and I glue them into a book, and then I can use those pages. They're usually, I try to color coordinate, so if I have a lot of greens or a lot of blues, I color coordinate the pages, and then I can make tags or belly bands or whatever. And this obviously was a green page back there, but this right here is out of Luise's kit. Look at this, is this adorable or what? I mean, really, I just love this kit. Each of the signatures are similar, with the difference being in just some of the graphics are a little different. So like this is a different card in here. The papers are different in each signature, but all part of her kit. There's a little pocket, and this has a little bird note card. And again, this is another belly band, or excuse me, fabric flip, but the button is different. Let's real quick see how this one is kind of really pretty plum and that, and this is a rose, and then on the third signature it's different as well. And here's a couple more tags. And there's plenty of room for you to journal on the white space, add your own mementos in there. Look at the colors in this. Amazing, just amazing. Again, another collage sheet with pieces of the paper. I just put this on here to break up this white journaling page a little bit. Another ruffle, this is part of her kit. But the background collaged is from my glue book, and then I actually used a Copic marker and put some aqua dots on there. And this one is just a piece of her digital, and then I just put a book page and a piece of paper on there just so that you can journal on there. And these are just some scraps that I added on to break up these pages a little bit. And here's another collage page. And then here's the window envelope of the second signature with a band for journaling. I added a bird on there. You can see it's a security envelope. And then this is another journaling card. This I stamped on book page. This is out of Luise's kit. And this is just a paper, and I colored, in each one I colored the these different. I'm not sure, can't remember what the first one was. Where am I? The envelope. Let's see if I can find it. I don't know. Anyways, this one is red. I think I did one gold. Oh, sorry. Look at this cute bird. And here's a horizontal belly band. And again, another piece of paper I just distressed and put on here for journaling. This is just a hummingbird that I found, a graphic. They changed the color and then put that on there to break that up a little bit. And this is a tag that I had made with collage papers and a couple of little tags in there, and I thought that it matched pretty well the bird, so I used that in this journal. And again, some collage paper. Oh my gosh, look at this, is the next signature. Look at this bird, how cute this is. And again, we've got a couple of flags up here and a card. And this is out of Luise's kit, the papers as well. And just some journaling tags. This is out of a dictionary, Bird of Paradise, but I thought the birds matched, so. And here again is another fabric flip with another button. And this one is more rose colored. A couple more tags. Love this color. This one I just used the same material that was on the front here, and then I just tied it with some gold floss on there to match this here. Oh, and this one is just a little flip for journaling. I did that in the gold collage paper. I just put this little bird on there. I thought it was cute. It matched. Look at these colors. I just love her colors. Again, I added a piece of lined paper for journaling. This is a corner pocket that she includes in the kit with her tickets. And then this is just a pad of paper that I had a little lace that matched, so I put that on there. This is collage sheet again, and a book page number on there. Here's the envelope. Oh, this one is like aqua colored, this tag. The leaves. And then this. These are both, this is from her kit, and this is from her kit as well. And then these are some words that I had just put on there. And there's a vertical or a horizontal belly band and some journaling pages. This one says, "Be You Bravely." I just love her graphics. I just love them. And here's another pocket with a tag. This is out of her kit. And this is another tag that I had made previously that had a bird in it, and I thought this matched the journal as well with a couple of journaling cards in it. And then I put some lace on here. This is out of her kit, this graphic right here. And another paper I added for journaling. And then the back page has a pocket as well. And then just a piece of journaling paper that I sewed on some of her paper. So that's it. That's the journal I made for my first Luise Heinzl design team project. I'm excited about it. And like I said, I will link all of her information below. I hope you love it, and go look at her shop. She's got some of the most beautiful colors, and some of her original artwork is in there. But anyways, the link will be in the description. Thank you so much.